All right, so here is my latest idea. So it's gonna be a vacuum port for the second side of these boats. Yep, so here's the vacuum gasket that will hopefully hold them down. I'm hoping to do 3 at a time. And then like I'll have my CNC controller switch from one port to the next and so I have 3 different ones, and then I actually have a 4th port which I'm hoping to do this first op, hold that board down. Anyway, so there's that, and there's just holes on the back side, so right there, right, that goes straight through. And then here's where the vacuum comes in at, right? More of this vacuum cord. Had to blow out there. But yeah, so 3 of them. And then, bam. So this is what I kind of came up with for an idea. So I don't know what these are actually used for. I think like beer brewing of some sort, right? It's almost like a V-band on like a turbo, you know? Like it just sucks them together, but instead I'm using it for this. So I have a spring washer, so if I, you know, mill down my spoil board, it'll have some play, some like give. Like if you push, you gotta push pretty hard, but you can kind of get it to move up and down a bit, so that way it'll still have a gasket. Anyway, so I think that will go here into there, and all I gotta do is seal all this MDF, which is gonna be quite a chore, but yeah, that's the plan. Here's my messy setup, which I haven't got figured out yet, but so you'll be able to do 1, 2, 3 each different vacuum port, right? And then these are going to be for pop-up pins, and then turn on the compressor, turn on the vacuum pump. But the cool thing is these can also be controlled by the CNC controller. So like in here, there's these, right? So those are actuated. That's just a fuse box. There's some more pneumatic guys back there. Yeah, so those can be controlled by the CNC or the switch. So I'm hoping like it'll do the 3, and then in my G code, I'll have it swap to the next one, and it actually overwrites the switch, which is cool. This is for the pop-up pins, which are right here, but we're not getting into that yet. And then the vacuum pump. So yeah, quite a bit to do still, but we'll see how it turns out.